Yo, what is going on, day traders? My name is Ern Watad. I run the website called kangaroohunter.com. It's a completely free website, but in this video, I'm going to show you the best trading software for anybody that can exponentially make you become a better trader. Now, the software that I am talking about is a backtesting software, which means you basically fine-tune a strategy and you trade on previous history data. And with true backtesting, we're only going bar by bar. So let's say we want to backtest data from 10 years ago. We'll choose a strategy and we will use this software to develop our trading strategy so that we have confidence out there in the real markets. So we can basically gain confidence for a new trading strategy that you may want to implement, but you don't want to start losing real money. Well, this software is going to exponentially help you fine-tune that strategy. So enough of that, we're going to go ahead and jump into my computer screen and I'm going to show you what this backtesting software is. So this software is actually called FOREX Simulator. You can basically download over 130 gigabytes of historical data and trade just as you are trading real time. And I will have the link down in the video description, of course. So if at any time you want to check out what FOREX Simulator has to offer, check out that link in the video description. But let's go ahead and pull up this software and I'm going to show you how it all works. Okay, so when you first have the FOREX Simulator software open, the first thing you are going to have to do is download your data that you want to trade. So we will come up here and click on data. We'll go over here to quotes, and here is a drop down menu of different data sets that we can trade from different broker sets, such as you have forex.com, you have historydata.com, and you have tons of Alpari data to download. So I'm going to click on here, download. And then you will have the choice of what data you want to trade for which instruments. So if you don't want to download them all at the same time, which is quite a lot of data, 29 gigabytes, you can just click here. So once you have that box unchecked, just come down here and check box which data sets you want to download. So let's say I want to backtest some indices. I'll come down here. Here is S&P 500. You even have things such as Bitcoin, but you have all of your Forex data. And here it lets us know how far back that data actually goes. So we can trade data starting back in 2016 here, and we can individually choose what dates we want to download for which pairs we would like to look at. So here's an example of historydata.com real quick. And if you just go through all of these, you'll definitely have plenty of instruments to trade on and backtest. Now, once you have the data that you would like, the pairs that you've already downloaded will show up right here. So currently I just have NASDAQ up right here and CAC 40, which is France 40. And I use this to practice a trading strategy called the kangaroo tails. And whatever your trading strategy is, FOREX Simulator is going to help you emulate the real markets because we're trading on real market data. And if we go over here to simulation, if we go down to properties, this is where we can control how much leverage we would want an account to have, what our starting account balance would be. I actually just put in 1,000 because I'm backtesting kangaroo tails, and you can control what the minimum lot size is that you would want to trade. So you'll always come here to simulation properties and make sure the account balance you have is what you want, along with the leverage that you would like to have. So I have mine on 1 to 300 because I have a live trading account with 1 to 300 leverage. So once you actually have data on a chart, so once you got your data that you'd like to do and you want to open up a new chart, you just come over here, right click it and click on new chart. And here I am on the 1 minute chart, 5 minute, 15, 30, hourly, 4 hour. So they got all the time frames you're used to. And you can also add indicators here. If you have any MQ4 files that you'd like to add here, you can actually import them into FOREX Simulator, but you'll be able to find all of the normal indicators that are on MetaTrader 4 or whatnot. So if you traded with the MACD, hey, you can throw it on up. I personally do not even use the MACD, but hey, like I said, this is called FOREX Simulator. Whatever your trading strategy is, you will be able to practice and emulate. And once you download this, let me give you a few tips. Pull this back over to NASDAQ because I love trading NASDAQ. Come over here, click on new chart, and I was actually backtesting on the 15-minute time frame on NASDAQ. And if you hold down the control key while moving your scroll wheel, you'll be able to go bar by bar. And here is what controls and how you zoom in and all that. Or you can just drag the chart here like this. So kind of similar to TradingView, MetaTrader 4. But the nice thing is you can just go bar by bar without any hindsight and take trades that you might take while you're trading live. And I would suggest every time you complete a trade, you're just going to come over here and click on File, Save. And when you get to a point on the chart where you would like to place a trade, you're simply going to right click on the chart and click on New Order. Here you can control what lot size you'd like to do. If you click on the stop loss icon, you can simply move your stop loss and it'll tell you what dollar amount you're risking here. Same thing with the take profit. So you could go here, leave it up there, and I'll just click buy for an example here. Our TP is up here. And I'm just doing the scroll wheel on the mouse and seeing what happens. just to show you an example. Well, it's not really doing anything, and it just hit stop loss. Now, what I really like about FOREX Simulator is the data you can see after you make trades. So I'm going to come up to here, I'm going to go to reports, and I'm going to click on summary. I'll go ahead and click save, and up will pop a chart of all the trades you've taken, along with a really nice looking graph that keeps track of all your trades that you've taken. So for this backtest, this was on NASDAQ 100 on the 15-minute using kangaroo tails. I had a 50% win rate, but we took 18 trades and came out on top over 13% so far. So this is super detailed, and there's also a couple other options such as summary and orders. Let's take a look at this real quick. Let's click save. Once you click save, up will pop up another chart. And here you have a more detailed view of all the trades you've taken. And this is automatically generated within FOREX Simulator. So it's basically like having a MyFX book or whatnot. And also up here, you can choose what date you would like to go back in time. I just started this back in 2016, but depending on what data set you have, you may be able to go back to as far as 2000, especially on the Forex pairs. But hey, if you see the value in backtesting, go ahead and download the demo for FOREX Simulator. If you see the value already, just buy the lifetime plan. I'll have all the links down in the video description. But everyone, with that said, if you have any questions about the FOREX Simulator, feel free to contact me, leave a comment down below. And in the video description, I got a bunch of cool links. I got a public Telegram chat, I got a Telegram announcement channel, and make sure to check out my completely free trading website, kangaroohunter.com. There you'll be able to watch the Kangaroo Tail Trading School video, and I believe it's one of the easiest strategies to understand. And let me tell you, if you trade indices, you're going to want to learn about kangaroo tails. So let me tell you about that, okay? Why would you want to learn how to trade kangaroo tails? Well, they provide some of the biggest reversals you will ever see. So my friends, if you're not already subscribed to me, click that bell icon down below, get all my notifications when I make my next videos, and do not forget to smash those like buttons down below. Thanks everyone, and Earn with Todd is signing off of this video.